Hey, I'm Sam. I'm WRWC's Stormwater Specialist, and today I'm going to give you a little tutorial about something we call live staking. So I'm holding in my hands what looks like a stick, but in fact, this stick is alive, and that's the trick with live staking, is that when we plant this in the ground, we're going to grow a whole new bush, in this case, a viburnum. And when we do that, we're kind of using a trick of this plant's biology. A lot of plants, shrubby plants that grow by rivers, are adapted to big disturbances like floods. If they get ripped up and dropped off somewhere else, they can grow back from just a limb. So some other plants that we can do this with are red osier dogwood, pussy willow, and elderberry. When we use this method, we're often working in restoration sites, places that have been disturbed, eroded, and by live staking, we can hold the soil together and restore native habitat. You'll want to harvest your live stakes during the dormant months. They should be 1 to 2 inches in diameter, 2 to 3 feet in length, and planted with a 1 to 2 foot spacing. A quick scratch test should reveal a green cambium layer. The bottom should be dipped in rooting hormone, which you can get at any garden center. Then you're going to make a pilot hole for the stake using an iron bar and put the stake into the hole, ideally with about 1/3 of it remaining above ground. If everything goes according to plan, you should start to see buds opening in spring, and by summer, you will have a thriving new plant.